So query number 107 from Anand, Gujarat. How to do maximum tax saving investment? How much could be an average our retirement corpus, and how can you calculate it? How you can have your passive income and become financially stable? So see, just a second. Yeah. So how to do maximum tax saving instrument? Think of those instruments which are tax free. When it comes to debt, it is the PPF. It's 100% tax free instrument. When it comes to hybrid, it is the NPS, 60% tax free and 40% annuity, which pays you pension. Of course, pension may be taxable, but that 40% doesn't charge you upfront tax whenever you redeem it. Okay. So when it comes to hedge, gold, sovereign gold bonds, tax free. So then equity mutual funds, LTCG 1 lakh free. HESBA 80 TTA. HESBA means high earning saving bank account. लोग बोलते हैं क्या फायदा, जितना ज्यादा ब्याज मिला उतना ज्यादा देना भी तो पड़ा. एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. 2.5% पे भी आप 30% दे रहे हो, 7% पे भी आप 30% दे रहे हो. 7 बचता है आपके पास और 4.9 बचता है. 2.5 का 30 काट दोगे तो यू आर लेफ्ट विद 1.75. So see the difference between a HESBA and a normal saving bank account. A normal saving is giving you 2.5 to 3 to 3.5 max, and a HESBA is giving you 6.5 to 7%. And both of them have a cushion of 80 TTA. So these are the things you need to take advantage of that. Of course, you want to learn more on taxation, I'm doing a workshop next month. You can join me. I'm not selling it. I'm just informing you. So how much can be our average retirement corpus in today's times? If you are planning to retire today, let's suppose you are 55 to 60 years of age, presuming you have 30 years, 25 to 30 years left, we presume the average age at 85. So 25 to 30 years, you will need a corpus of 5 to 6 crores to do that. There are multiple ways to do it. The rule of 4% withdrawal is there. The rule of whatever your expenses is multiplied by 25x of your expenses is there. There are multiple rules to come at that formula. But yes, certain rules don't take into account the inflation part. You need to be very clear on the inflation because that is going to eat up in the money. And yes, if your kids plan to go in for a higher education, that is costly. And I believe if by the time of your retirement, your kids have already not gone into education, I mean higher education or marriage, which are both, you can say tax, you can say both of them are, you can say tax or sorry, money burning procedures. So you need to not burn into your retirement corpus. So technically बोले तो 25 साल के लिए 1.5 से 2 करोड़ 2.5 करोड़ बहुत होता है. But to be on the safer side, inflation part and incidental expenses in today's time 5 to 6 year. आज से 15 साल बाद 20 साल बाद 2044 में अमाउंट कितना होगा? 30 crores, 20 crores, 25 crores, 10 crores, I don't know. We'll have to see how the inflation goes and the next 25 years of the Amrit Kal, how they go. So the passive income is having consistent investments, keeping them for time. Time is the most valuable asset in finance. And once you have, you can say instruments in line or in investment, that is the way you can hope that your money keeps on growing. And when it starts compounding after 10 to 15 years plus, see, initial few years of compounding are dull, insipid, and boring. But once compounding takes off, it takes off like a rocket. I give that example of presently my PPF will complete 25 years, you can say in March 2024. I'll be renewing it for another 5 years. But at present, if I put in 1.5, 3,70,000 सिर्फ उसमें ब्याज पड़ता है. दैट इज द पावर ऑफ ट्रू कंपाउंडिंग. सो मैं 1.5 डालता हूँ, गवर्नमेंट 3.25 लाख डालती है बिना किसी टैक्स के, टैक्स फ्री मनी. एंड एवरी ईयर नाउ इट इज गोइंग ऑन proportionately increasing. That 1.5 I put in is like adding huge value to it. So this is the time when I'm actually enjoying the fruits of at least one investment. NPS will take time because I started it only 5 years back. It became tax free. Mutual funds I've been doing since 2007, beginning to see fruits of some investments. Some investments I discarded in 2013. Some of them are continuing. So 2013, 10 years, it will come to circulation. SGBs I started late, but into circulation. But otherwise, all other investments, some stocks are there. They're bearing good returns. So this is the way the money needs to be put in multiple sources and not into one. Those who believe that PPF can give you nothing, we started with PPF with a 50,000 rupees limit. Then the limit was 70,000. As good as in year 2008. In 2009, PPF was raised to 1 lakh rupees. It was only in 2014 when the Modi government came in, the PPF limit was raised from 1 lakh to 1.5 lakhs. Just about not even 10 years. So हम लोगों ने 50,000 से जोड़ना शुरू किया था और अब कैसे, and even I was not putting in full amount in the beginning. So imagine अगर 50,000 भी मैंने डाला होता, which is roughly 4,000 per month at that time. When I opened it up in 99, it was opened up by my dad only after my graduation in 1999. So मैंने वो mistake तो नहीं कहूँगा, but estimation of that नहीं किया. मैंने अपने बच्चों के starting से किए. For my younger daughter, as good as when she was 1 month old. So even उसके भी 7 साल पूरे हो जाएंगे PPF को. Imagine the kind of potential these investments are going to have when the kids become 18 or 20 years or 25 years of age. Imagine the money. This will come handy in their education and their marriage. So this is the reason we can not dip into our corpus and spend from their corpus. That is the beauty of these kind of investments. So I hope I have given you enough food for thought in that. I can say, Dr. Bhavna, I'll complete 25 years in March 24. My father started my PPF in 1999, 99 or 98, I guess. So after my graduation. Okay.